Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. This is another episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays where we mix low ingredient cocktails in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm going to make you an old fashioned that we came up with here at SLB, one of my faves, super simple. I'm going to start out with just 2 dashes of black walnut bitters. That's it, you don't want too much. I'm going to pour in a 1/4 ounce of fig syrup. I'm using Lieber fig syrup. You can get it on Amazon. God bless you if you want to make it yourself, but I tried and it turned out to be a complete disaster. So Amazon, Lieber, that's the ticket. Now with this, I want to use a good quality bourbon that I really enjoy, and for me, Russels Reserve single barrel. I'm going to pour in 2 full ounces, bourbon of your choice. Just make sure it's a bourbon that you really enjoy. That's all the ingredients of the cocktail. Let's get some ice and give it a stir. Stir until it feels nice and cold, frosty. Bottom of the glass. I have a single rocks glass with a fantastic clear cube of ice. I'm just going to give that a quick pour. And that's it. No garnish necessary. Just enjoy. Fabulous. Really is. Try it at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. Drink responsibly. See ya.